Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to introduce to you MOCA'S World merch, and I will put the links in the description section below this video. So let's get started. So here we have MOCA'S World Beautiful Places storefront. Under the apparels button here, we'll see a list of various items. So let's go ahead and click that. And I'll scroll down and you'll see different types of apparel with various themes. Here we have t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, leggings. We have different countries: Austria, Jamaica, Sweden, and USA. Even for toddlers and babies. And when you click on this item here, for example, you will see all the items with this theme. And when you scroll down, you see the selection of colors here. You can select your colors and various sizes and change your quantity. Under homeware, we have pillows, mugs, wall tapestry, posters, canvas prints with various themes. Under accessories, we have fanny packs, cloth face masks, Samsung cases, iPhone cases, and tote bags. And under all products, you have an overview of every product that's available. I will be adding more products from time to time, so do check in periodically. When you click the link to my second storefront, that's MOCA'S World Orchids and Beyond, you will see under apparel, t-shirts, tank tops, and long sleeve tees. Under homeware, you'll see beach towels, posters, pillows, canvas prints, mugs, with various themes. These are images of orchids and other plants that I've personally grown. Under accessories, we have iPhone cases, Samsung cases, cloth face masks, and tote bags. Under all products is a listing of all the products available at this storefront. I decided to create some affirmation cards, inspirational cards. So the very first deck is my Auracles deck, because as the name suggests, it's all about flowers. I happen to love gardening and growing orchids and other flowers, so I decided to make use of the photos I accumulated over the years. So this is a nice card. It's round. And on the back, there are messages, like this one says, relax, take time to enjoy quiet moments of reflection and leisure. Okay, that's that one. And I'll read one more, which is this Cattleya orchid that I grew once. And on the back, it says, empathy requires the suspension of our egos to live in another's world. And in order for us to understand where other people are coming from or another person's point of view, we have to let go of our own ego so that we get to that level of greater understanding. Okay, so that's that deck, and there are 36 of these. So my next deck is my Tea Time Affirmations. There are 24 of these cards. They're nice little cards. And as the name suggests, Tea Time Affirmations, there are teacups, teapots, mugs. So the very first one here on the back, it says, I am positive. So that's a good affirmation there. And the next one, you can see that, says, I am enthusiastic. So these thoughts and affirmations, I feel when you verbalize it, it solidifies it. The next deck is Moods for Balanced Energy. And this deck is more for honing your everyday energy, which will make it better for you to get to that place that you want to get to. There are 28 of these with various messages on things you can do to balance your everyday energies. So I'm going to read 2 of them. Light a candle for grateful living. And this one says time management. Schedule downtime to recenter. So there you have it, guys. Please go check out my MOCA'S World merch. I'd love your support. Thanks for watching.